Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Veronica and I like to do all types of videos, so you're in luck today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a tie-dye shirt just using food coloring. What did you say? Yes, food coloring. I'm like, what? I saw this idea on Pinterest and I'm like, food coloring? I'm gonna try you. I went to Walmart and they told me that they discontinued it completely. I called Party City just in case. They told me that they don't even have that stuff. I cannot finish 2020 without a tie-dye shirt. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys want to see how it comes out, just keep on watching. You guys see me? Finally, the time has come. I'm actually ready to do this. We waited a little bit longer than 8 hours and waited more than 12 hours. We just waited a really long time. By the way, I used one of my girls' shirt just because I wanted to make sure this actually worked. This really stinks. I threw away the glove. So this is how it's starting to look. Let me take this out. Oh my god.
I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out.
So this is the end product. We have to actually put it.
Yeah, I don't know about that tie-dye.
I don't know. I really don't know how. Well,
Yeah.
it does look here, you see, but I don't know why this part looks like that. I don't know. Maybe it could be because of this, because of the
Yeah.
But it came out pink instead of like the blue that I used.
Yeah, there's hardly any blue. Maybe if we iron it and yeah, all the blue came out, babe.
Yeah, all the blue basically came out. So
we're gonna have to try to do it again, guys. Sorry.
I don't think I'm gonna do this again. We're just gonna have to buy the kit from Amazon or eBay. I'm gonna tell you that.
From where, babe?
From Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah.
Amazon? Okay.
Anyway, so we have to go to buy it online.
Where, babe?
We have to buy it online.
But what's the name? Can we also buy yogurt? What? How do you say it, babe?
Yogurt.
What?
Yogurt?
Yogurt? Well, now you're saying it right.
Yogurt.
Yeah. You would say yogurt.
I do still say yogurt. Anyway, so this is how it comes out. I have to put this to dry. But yeah, it doesn't smell now. Look, smell it. Tell me if you actually smell it.
Nope.
No, right? It doesn't smell like vinegar. But I'm gonna have to put
I think it looks pretty cool. Maybe in the light, you know, it's starting to turn out.
It looks nice.
Yeah, but
this part, just ignore this part.
Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna make it like a shirt and like fringe it out.
Okay.
And
yeah,
I don't know. Maybe
I think that would be cool.
But you guys, look how cute. And then this color, this part is like a little bit purple.
Mm-hmm. But it's okay. I mean, it's food coloring, so we can't expect it to look like a, you know, like another of those tie-dyes.
Yeah.
So, okay.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can actually use food coloring. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notifications so you guys know when we're gonna have a new video. So I love you guys. Stay blessed and God bless.